Good morning, students. In the chapter Cooking and Eating, in this video I am going to explain about utensils used in cooking, next stoves and fuels used for cooking and spending time together with your family members. So first I am going to explain about utensils used in cooking. There are different utensils used for cooking. And the utensils are made of metals and iron. So, some utensils made of metals are stainless steel, aluminium and copper. Utensils made of metals like stainless steel, aluminium and copper. And some utensils made of iron, they are tawa, fry pan, woks, etc. So, these are some utensils used for cooking. And they are made of metals and irons. Next, stoves and fuels used for cooking. Some of the fuels used for cooking are wood, kerosene, coal, LPG, animal dung, also called as CNG, sun's energy, electric current, etc. These are some fuels used for cooking. And LPG stands for liquefied petroleum gas. And CNG stands for compressed natural gas, also called as animal dung. Next, people also use different stoves and fuels for cooking their food. Like in towns and cities, people use gas stoves. But in village areas, people use chulas, angithis, etc. In villages, people also use gobar gas, also called as biogas. And this biogas is also used for generating electricity. So here we will see the stoves and fuels used for cooking. So first, chulhas or mud stoves. Fuels used is wood. In chulhas or mud stoves, fuels used is wood. Next, second, kerosene stove. Fuels used is kerosene. Third, angithi. Fuels used coal. In gas stove, fuels used is LPG. Again, LPG stands for liquefied petroleum gas. Next, fifth, pipeline gas. Fuels used is animals dung or CNG. CNG stands for compressed natural gas. Sixth, solar cooker. Fuels used is sun's energy. Seventh, electric oven, toaster or microwave. The fuel used is electric current. So once again students, stoves and fuels used for cooking, they are first chulas or mud stoves. Fuels used is wood. Second, kerosene stove. Fuels used kerosene. Third, angithi. Fuels used is coal. Fourth, gas stove. Fuels used is LPG. Full form liquefied petroleum gas. Fifth, pipeline gas. Fuels used is animals dung or CNG. CNG stands for compressed natural gas. Next, sixth, solar cooker. Fuels used is sun's energy. And 7. Electric oven or toaster or microwave. Fuels used is electric current. And one fact children, in pressure cooker, food is cooked little faster and less fuel is consumed. So our next topic is eating together in a family. Children, you should spend time with your family members. People in the family, at least they should have one meal with their family members, either the breakfast or lunch or dinner. It is because it brings togetherness in the family, where people can share their thoughts, ideas, etc. And you should not eat junk food as it is not good for health. And in the family members, we should treat our elderly people with love. So, all the members of the family are equal. They should share their thoughts and ideas among each other. It brings the sense of togetherness. So children, in this chapter, in this video, we learnt about the utensils used for cooking and different types of stoves and fuels used for cooking and how to spend time together with your family members. So children, watch this video carefully and understand these topics. Thank you.